You have this error message on your scanner. Cannot create temporary files. Check that there is enough space on the disk. Abort scanning. The common meaning is that the Canon scanner cannot write to the temporary folder on your computer. Sometimes this is not about low disk. It's about no required permission or corrupt temporary folder. In this case, the user was using the computer and there was sudden power interruption, and then the system restarted and you have this error message during scanning. I think in this case the first option is to delete the temporary folder. You just go to the temporary folder of the software and then delete it. But if it does not show, simply do this to have access to the temporary folder. On your computer, on the run command, just type this. You can see it, local, and then click on temp. It takes you to the temporary folder. Then you can delete the temporary folder and it will be able to work. In this case, the error persisted. The user was not able to scan. I log in as administrator and tried scanning and it worked. So the problem with the user's profile. So you log out the user or you restart the system and then log in as administrator. This is administrator's profile, so I go and delete the user's profile so that the user can log in again and work. Property, advanced, user's profile, settings. This is the user. I click on delete. Just click on delete, it goes, and then I can't delete. I've already deleted, so I have to. So just do it and it works. Word of caution: make sure you have a backup of the user's data before deleting the user's profile so that you can restore it after the user is logged in. Then let the user log in and work and try the scanning. It works. I will appreciate your comment at the comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.